Somebody's gonna kill me for all this stuff that I bought. Hey guys, what's up? Sabrina here. Today I'm doing a haul, a rather large haul. I feel like I'm gonna get called out by somebody, whether it's my parents or my boyfriend. Somebody's gonna call me out. But your girl spent a lot of money. Okay, so I want to jump right in this, but I just want to give you a little bit of a backstory as to why I purchased so much stuff. I'm currently redecorating my living room. If you've seen my living room fall video, you'll see this IKEA bookshelf. I got rid of that, but I got 2 new bookshelves from Amazon. I need stuff to put on those shelves. So let's start off with Target, and I apologize in advance. I really do. I really sincerely apologize in advance because most of this stuff is probably out of stock. Sorry. So from Target, I picked up 4 different vases, vessels, whatever you want to call it. I stalked their website for these to come back in sale. One day I was kind of roaming around one of the nicer Targets in one of the nicer neighborhoods, and I swore they wasn't gonna have it because it's the nicer Target, so you know, they'd just be grabbing stuff. But when I tell you I found all of my vases there and I almost lost my... If you haven't seen this footed bowl all over YouTube, I don't know where you've been living under a rock. If this is the first time you're seeing it, well, hello, she's gorgeous. All of my vases from Target are white. So this white footed bowl, I will try and link her below. You can try and stalk the website to see if she'll come back in stock. I don't know. She was $30. To go along with her, I already have some stuff in this vase because technically I already have my area decorated. And stay tuned for that because I'll be showing you guys how to decorate shelves. Another vessel from Target. I think they sell something similar on H&M Home, so I'll try and link that one as well, but I just think she just makes a statement, okay? She only needs a couple little pieces of decor sticking out. She's absolutely gorgeous. She was $20. The last 2 vases from Target, I will show them together because they are a set. They're just 2 white ceramic vases. I really love the texture of these vases. They're very textured but very minimalist and very modern, so they're not really antiques, and I'm not really an antique kind of girl. These are my 2 white clean textured vessels that go nicely on my bookshelves. This one, the big one, is $25 and the little one is $20, and they look very cute together when they're styled on my shelf. Also from Target, I picked up this, they call it a decorative bowl. So this is a wooden decorative bowl from Target. The wood texture and the color and the undertones really match the wood that I keep in my house. I needed some kind of texture added besides the ceramic vases. I wanted more of an earthy texture added into the home. I have styled it on my shelf, and you guys will see that coming soon. And this bowl was $25. So the last thing that I got from Target, I was literally going to haul in here, but she is heavy. I picked up the Lark chair from the Studio McGee collection. She's beautiful, okay, but she came with some issues. For the price that I paid her, which is relatively a decent price for an accent chair, a living room chair, she has manufacturing flaws. I already put in my review on Target.com. You guys will see her styled up in my next living room tour. Moving on to IKEA, I will start with the most boring thing first because it's not really that exciting, but I put her in this video just to put a disclaimer. This is not from IKEA. These candles are from IKEA. They stink, okay? I bought a pack of like 20 for $8 and they smell. Boy, they reek. Okay, moving on. Wow. I don't know if you can already tell that I have a whole bunch of junk in here. I used to have the IKEA woven baskets underneath my bookshelf, and it just wasn't giving me the clean aesthetics that I was looking for. So I picked up these 2 little baskets. These have all of somebody who wants my attention right now. These are all of Bentley's toys, accessories, book bags. Anyway, so these little boxes, they were cheap. They were like $3. I had picked up some from Target, didn't really like them. These came $3 each and I bought 2. Lastly, from IKEA, I bought these stackable baskets. Again, they continue to add texture. So now I have the wood elements, the ceramic elements, now the woven kind of basket elements. They came 3 inside of each other. So here's the 3 baskets. I have one of their poofs that are similar on the same kind of texture, so it kind of brings in that texture from the poof to the bookshelves, just trying to incorporate everything so it looks like it just flows. So I like these. I just like to stack them on top of each other, put them on my bookshelf, kind of like this. I went to HomeGoods and I only picked up 1 item. I kind of walked by it and then picked it up and then put it down and then walked by it again and was like, let me just bring it home. I picked up this gold hourglass. I have a lot of gold elements in my house. When I'm trying to tie everything on the shelves, I want to bring in as many elements in the room that I already have and kind of tie them into the shelf. So this is a nice brass element, and I do have other brass elements throughout the living room, and I thought it looked nice. It looked chic. I don't think it looked too cheap, and I thought it was substantial enough in height. She was $24.99. The baskets, I forgot to mention, the baskets were, I think $4.99. I think they were cheap, $4.99, $5.99. I will link it all down below. They pretty much gave me this for free, okay? My boyfriend might look at me and say something different, and my mother as well might disagree, but everyone who's into home decor knows this iconic book. It is the Tom Ford book. You go to Restoration Hardware, they'll sell it for $150. You go online to Amazon and it goes between like $88 and like $100. You can usually find it. When I tell you, Brenda Michelle, thank you, sweetheart. Thank you for posting this because I snagged it when I seen it. This Tom Ford book, yes. Guess how much I bought it for? I'll wait. It was on sale on TJMAXX.com for $59. Yes, $59. And you know what? I signed up on TJMAXX to receive a discount by putting in my email address, so I got free shipping. So in total, I paid $65. Now some of you guys will probably look at me crazy, but if you really love home decor, you know this book is not cheap. So for me to get this for $65 off TJMAXX.com, that was a steal. I will link below. Hopefully it's still in stock. Keep an eye on it. See if it goes back on sale for $59 and snag it. Ladies and gentlemen, like look, she's so... And then Tom Ford on the back. And yes, it came with the cover, but I like the white pages showing, so I took the cover off. Continuing on with the books that I purchased 3 more books from Amazon. They are home decor books. They are coffee table books. Fairly decent price. I don't remember the cost of all of them, so I'll try and link them below, but they were all at least $25 and below. I think I was able to catch most of them on sale, but the color, they work in my space, okay? So I picked up 3 books. You have the Abode. I took the cover off 2 of the books, but if you just want some inspiration, some home decor styling, these books are beautiful. And when they're just kind of like sitting, when they're like just laying on the shelf or on the coffee table, like it's just the aesthetics. The aesthetics, baby, I love it. I also picked up this book from Amazon. This is Still the Slow Home. Also, again, the aesthetics of the book, I love it. Also the inspiration inside of the book, the wood tones, the elements, it's all really, it's really just my vibe. The last book I picked up from Amazon is the Kinfolk book, okay, Kinfolk Home. This is another iconic book that a lot of people are fairly aware of. It's got a nice black and white kind of binding there. Nice to layer things on top of it, and I am obsessed. Okay guys, so we've pretty much come to the end almost. I have one more store to show you, and you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised because I was. I found this idea on TikTok. So if you're looking for just regular books, but you don't want to spend the price of like coffee table books, Tom Ford book, I know she's pricey. You just want like simple books just to kind of like either put in your bookshelf, turn the spines around, etc. Girl, boys, whoever, go to Dollar Tree, okay? First of all, Dollar Tree sells books, hardcover books. I never knew. But even like the font of this book looks amazing. It looks very minimal. So I keep this as a spine that I like to show on the bookcase. I have plenty more. I have one over here, a black spine with white hardcover and back cover. So it's a nice contrast that it adds to the book. This one the spine isn't as pretty, but it is a black book. So when I turn it around, this one I kind of like to have facing this way. She still looks good, and she was only $1, ladies and gentlemen. Well, that's it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will try to link everything down below. I'm so sorry if it's sold out. I'm really bad at this, at getting things out in a timely fashion. I'm working on it though. So if you liked what you see, be sure to like the video. YouTube really likes it in 2021 when people like videos. It's got like some magic powers going on when people like videos. I don't know. It's the algorithm. Work with me. Work with me here, okay? And subscribe also if you want to see me styling my bookshelf with these things. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you know when the next video drops, because you won't want to miss this. I'm so happy with how these shelves turned out. I can't wait. And that's all. I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace.